Hey everyone, so we're going to take a look at a really fun website that you can use to help get you ready for exams or help remember material that you need to know about called StudyStack. So StudyStack is an online website where you can create your own flashcards. You can enter questions and answers, and it'll take you to be able to play different games and just think about different ways of learning the material. So to start, you want to go to either sign up or log in. I log in using Facebook, and that just makes it really easy. So it says I've previously logged in, would I like to continue? And I say okay. And that brings me right here to the dashboard. These are my stacks. I've started creating a practice for final exam. So I can click right on there, but if there was nothing here, I would go to create a new stack. I'm going to go back, go to questions for the final exam. And here I have just 2 questions that I've put in here. So I start out by looking at flashcards. And the first flashcard says, can children have more than one attachment figure? I believe the answer is yes. So I'm going to click the answer is yes. So I will click no because I knew that. And then it tells me how many I have gotten correct. So let's start over. If Sarah is 11 months, which motor skill is she likely working on? Maybe I don't know the answer to this. Spoiler alert, I do, but let's pretend I don't. So I'll say, I'm not sure. It's walking. Okay, I'll put that one back over here and don't know because I want to be able to come back to it. Can children have more than one attachment figure? Yes. Great, so I'll put that one under no. And it says I have some remaining cards, but I think they're the same cards repeating. So that's one way to play that. Another thing I might like to do is a game of hangman. So it says the category is the answer. So I can just kind of try playing around with this. I see that there are a few different letters here. So maybe I'll try a B. Oh, there's no B. It draws a circle for the head. What about an A? Oh, there is an A. What about an L? There's also an L. Well, if I look at the amount of letters that are here, I can guess that this might be walking. And congratulations, I got it right. So it just plays like a standard hangman game. There's also crossword. It will create a crossword. So 2 across. If Sarah is 11 months, which motor skill is she likely working on? Walking. Yes. And down. Can children have more than one attachment figure? No. Okay, more than one attachment. Oh dear, I don't even remember the answer to this. So let's see, show answer. It is figure. That's what I put in, but maybe I wasn't spelling it right or something. So anyway, these are all these different games you can do with this. So if this is something you think you're interested in, you can go to StudyStack and create an account with them. And then go to create a new stack and pick a name for it. So midterm review. And you can give a description so that you're sure you know what it is. So let's say Child Development 101 review for midterm exam. And then you can choose, is it going to be a question or answer that you provide, a term and definition, or you can make it custom. I like it to generate random fill-in-the-blank clues for activities. It's just another way to learn. And you can leave it open for others to view the set and others to edit the set if you wanted to work with your study group. So, stay on page. So I need to hit Save Changes before I go to the next page, and it will remind me by asking if I want to stay or leave. So once I'm in data, now I can begin putting the question and then the answer. So the question will be, what ages are covered for early childhood development? And the answer would be birth to 8. And then a second question might be, what program is designed to help low-income children reach school readiness? And that would be Head Start, right? So now I can save changes again. And when I go into slides, I can even put images here if there's something I want, or I can just go straight down to the bottom and pick a game. So what's Bug Match? Let's play this one. A question and 4 possible answers will be displayed in the area to the right. Use the arrow keys to move your bug to eat the answer. Okay, so I want to eat the, ooh, no, I don't want to eat that bug. No, no, no. Got to get that purple bug. There we go. Okay, this one's a little tougher, guys. I'm trying. There we go. And the Head Start bug. Okay, so that's one of the options of games you can play. It would probably be a lot more fun with more than 2 answers. And then when you go back to your dashboard, you have access to all of your different study stacks that you've created, and you can give it a try with all of your different classes. I hope this is a study tool you come to enjoy.